Hi, welcome back to Mama Jasmine's Food Journey. Now today I'm going to film a little differently. I thought I'd spice it up a little bit for you with a very simple recipe, and this is strawberry cream filled crepes. So hello there. You're going to be seeing a little bit of my arm. I wanted to do this kind of in real time and give you guys a little lowdown on my cooking. So I already made crepe mix. I used the Better Homes and Gardens recipe, and I just did half of it. And then I have a towel that I have filled with oil, and just gonna put that in a container so that I don't have to worry about just having it around the counter. And then I have powdered sugar, vanilla, cream cheese, and strawberry, so that's gonna be our filling. So very simple recipe. Go ahead and get the pan coated. So with the pan, you don't need a lot of oil. And I put the heat on about medium low. And then you take your crepe mixture. So about 1/4 cup batter. And then you just do nice and light. And immediately you wanna spin it around the pan. And if you feel like you don't have enough batter, girl, add some more. But this cooks really quickly, so you want to kind of work really fast on it. Which is why crepes are kind of one of the harder things that people don't like to do. The reason why crepes are not a huge commodity. And you just use the residual heat of the pan to cook the crepes. There we go. All right, we're pretty confident. Give it a little rounded. And you see how that heat just cooked it pretty quickly. So I'm gonna put it down for a minute till I get my favorite spatula, which is this beastie right here. And then you go down the side of the pan. You wanna take it off pretty quick, otherwise you'll burn it. Into it a little close. All right, you see that? I tilt the pan a little bit. Wiggle it under. And there you have it. Now go a little quickly. Remember, the bottom is still not cooked. I learned how to make crepes. It was in my 8th grade French class, and I was so nervous about taking French because I'm mostly am a Spanish person. Like I love the Spanish language, and that's the language I wanted to learn. But for that course, it was like Spanish and French, which was actually pretty amazing. So you have your plate. Once you're done with your crepes, you're gonna go ahead and start stacking them on up. Pretty good so far. And making sure that's nicely cooked. I'm gonna give it about 30 more seconds, and then I'm gonna start going in with the next one. Now this part I'm gonna kind of speed past a little bit for you guys, but I'm gonna quickly do these crepes, and then we're gonna get started on the filling while the crepes are kind of stacked up. right, so we're gonna go ahead and drop in the softening cream cheese, the powdered sugar, and that's about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and all the strawberries. This is about 6 large strawberries. There we go. And this one dropped in the trash. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. There we go. Give it one last spoon. Sorry, not spoon. One last little stir. And pretty much good to go. So we have all 3 crepes ready to go. And we're just gonna spoon it in the middle. The mixture. Roll it up. Okay. All right, for the next one. Like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and make this pretty, and then I'll be right back with the final shot. All right, how we think? We're gonna go ahead and get some shots of this and we'll be done. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye!